Low-carb smoothies have gained popularity as a nutritious and effective way to shed pounds while maintaining a healthy lifestyle. We'll explore the benefits of low-carb smoothies for weight loss and provide you with a variety of options to try. Low-carb smoothies are a great addition to any weight loss journey because they offer several advantages. Weight loss by reducing the carbohydrate content in your diet. You encourage your body to use fat for energy, leading to weight loss. Stable blood sugar. Low-carb smoothies can help stabilize blood sugar levels, reducing cravings and the urge to snack on unhealthy food. Nutrient density. These smoothies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and vitality. Satiety. The high fiber content in low-carb smoothies helps keep you feeling full for longer, reducing overeating. Now, let's explore some low-carb smoothie options for your weight loss journey. Green Keto Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 1 cup spinach and a half avocado, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, stevia or erythritol for sweetness. Berry Blast Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened coconut milk and a half cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, 2 tablespoons heavy cream, 1 tablespoon almond butter, stevia or erythritol for sweetness. Peanut butter protein smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup unsweetened almond milk, 2 TBSP, peanut butter sugar-free, 1 scoop vanilla or chocolate protein powder, half TSP cocoa powder, ice cubes. Cinnamon roll smoothie. Ingredients: a half cup unsweetened almond milk, panafor, cup Greek yogurt, 1 TSP ground cinnamon, 2 TS per ounce. Cipiella extracted avshar, TXP, nutmeg, a pinch of salt. Cinnamon roll smoothie. Low-carb smoothies can be a valuable addition to your weight loss journey. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey and make positive changes to your health? Don't wait any longer. The path to a healthier, slimmer you starts now. Check the Smoothie Diet website page and take the first step towards achieving your goals. Download now from official website. Check the link in description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.